In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact in Outlook. This is a simple process, and once you know where to click, you can save someone's information in just a minute or two. Adding contacts in Outlook is useful because it helps you keep important people organized, makes it easier to send emails later, and ensures you have their details saved in one place. To begin, open Outlook and go to the People section. This is the area where Outlook stores your contacts. If you're currently in your inbox or another part of Outlook, just switch over to People so you can manage and create contact entries. Once you're in the People area, click on New Contact. This opens the contact creation options and gets you started with adding someone new to your address book. Depending on the version of Outlook you're using, the layout may look slightly different, but the New Contact option should be clearly visible. After that, click on New Contact again if another menu or selection appears. In some versions of Outlook, this second click confirms that you want to create a standard contact entry rather than using a different contact-related option. If you see a small drop-down or panel, just choose the option for creating a new contact. Now it's time to fill in their details. Enter the information you want to save for that person, such as their name, email address, phone number, company, or any other available fields you'd like to include. You don't always have to fill out every box. So if you only need a name and email address, that's perfectly fine. The more information you add, the easier it can be to find and identify that contact later, especially if you have a large contact list. As you enter the details, take a moment to check for spelling and accuracy. That can help prevent mistakes when sending emails or looking up the contact in the future. Keeping your contacts up to date is also a good habit, especially for people you communicate with regularly. When everything looks correct, click Save. This stores the contact in Outlook and adds it to your contact list. Once it's saved, you'll be able to search for that person more easily and select them quickly when composing messages. And that's all it takes to add a contact in Outlook. It's a quick but helpful feature that can save you time and keep your communication more organized.